I got this on special at B&H. I'm curious to see how it works. I'm interested in any flashlight, as where we live it gets very dark at night, and we sometimes take walks at night, so we always carry a flashlight for safety reasons, to make sure people see us. I have this at the end. It's supposed to be easier to see things at night with this thing, I think, but we'll double check. I gave one to my son, and I'll ask him for his opinion on it towards the end. Comes with a lanyard, so you can put it around your neck. And it was $5 for $5. And I see now that it's 18, so I got a really good special. I bought a couple of them so that I can give one to my son. And the lanyard is going to be how long is it? Almost 22 inches. This is a close-up look. Let me play a description while I give you a close-up look of the item.
Celestron Night Vision Red LED Flashlight, small little tiny B&H, number CEFLNV Manufacturers, number 93,588. Cost $5.95 on special. B&H. https://www.bhphotovidea.com/c/product/202043-reg /Celestron_9358_night_vision_red_LED.html. In the box, Celestron Night Vision Red LED Flashlight installed 9V battery, 20 inches, 51 cm, neck Lanyard, limited 1-year warranty. Key features: 25 Lumen Max Output or Red LEDs, variable output, 20 inches, neck Lanyard. Celestron's night vision flashlight is a purpose-built astronomy illumination tool that uses two red LEDs to preserve night-adjusted vision while providing light to set up, read, write notes, change eyepieces, or navigate. Its combined rotary variable brightness. Celestron 93588 Overview. Celestron's night vision flashlight is a purpose-built astronomy illumination tool that uses two red LEDs to preserve night-adjusted vision while providing light to set up, read, write notes, change eyepieces, or navigate. Its combined rotary variable brightness control on-off switch allows you to adjust the brightness over a wide range up to 25 lumens. At the maximum brightness setting, the emitted light is bright enough to locate dropped items or disassemble your telescope after observing. The medium brightness levels will properly illuminate a star chart without affecting your pupil's darkness-adapted dilation. At the lowest brightness setting, there's just enough light to determine a filter designation or an eyepiece's focal length. The night vision flashlight is powered by a single 9-volt battery that lasts for up to 12 hours on high and as much as 300 hours on low. The supplied 20 inches, 51 cm, cord allows you to hang the light around your neck when not in use. UPC number 050234935883. Celestron 93588 specs. Illumination source 2x red LEDs, maximum output 25 lumens, battery runtime 1x, 9V battery, low 300 hours, high 12 hours. Maximum construction material plastic, dimensions 4.25x 1.3x 1.0 inches, 10.8x 3.3x 2.5 cm, weight 3.5 oz 99.2 g. With battery packaging. Info package weight 0.29 box dimensions LXWXH 5.6x 2.5x 2.5.
It's totally dark, so I'm going to show you the difference between a regular light. This is a regular flashlight. And red flashlight. I guess it's easier on the eyes. It's more incognito, so people don't see that you have a flashlight, I guess. That's another reason for it. So my understanding with the red light is that it helps you kind of see better at light, and sort of keeps you focused on what you're doing. So if you're hunting or doing something at night, the red light keeps your vision from how do you say, having to refocus or adjust your eyes to the light. You know, when you have a flashlight shined in your face, you tend to block it, and it's a huge adjustment with your eyes. So if you're pointing downward and you have a flashlight, a regular flashlight, your eyes have to adjust to that light, and then when you turn it off, your eyes have to adjust again. So the red light is to make it easier for your eyes to adjust. So there's not that much of an adjustment, and you don't have to look away, and it makes it easier to see things at night. I've never used a red light. I have no idea. I don't go hunting. I purchased them because they weren't special, and I wanted to see how they worked. So I don't know how well they're supposed to work, but I'll try them out. You know, just supposed to be easier on the eyes, and it does a good job because it is easier on the eyes. I don't feel my eyes having to adjust to the light, from going from dark to light. Alright, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you. Bye.